everyone. We are here inside the house of Amoma. This is located inside Vista Mar subdivision, and with me is Engineer Eric Tunyaka, the owner of Hexacon, which is the developer, an engineer by profession. And let's ask him more important questions about this house. So say hi to my viewers, sir.
Hello.
Eric is still single?
No.
Oh, he's married. He's taken already. So don't try to ask me. Okay. So we'll start. My question is, when was the Hexacon started?
Yes, Hexacon started in 2018. It's a brand. So in 2018, we do the designs of resort homes. Initially, we designed 3 house models. One is Amoma, next is Sadja, and next is the Mukna. So these are inspired from Cebuano terms.
Okay.
It has always been our goal to elevate Cebu to the world. So we're making Cebuano words high-end.
Wow,
so
that's good.
Yeah, that's on 2018. So these are pre-designed houses. So meaning there's no client who can design it. But then in 2019, there's an opportunity to acquire this land that we are building on. We didn't think, how about we go into development? So, because initially we are a construction firm.
Yeah, so
It started in 2018 as a concept.
Yeah,
it's a pre-designed house.
Okay.
And then on 2019, we saw this land, and when we do the measurements of the land, we see that the Amoma house model can fit into this land.
Wow, so this way.
Yeah, so that's the time we made Hexacon as a separate company.
From your existing construction company?
Yes, we have been into construction of residential houses since 2008. So that's our specialty. That's already 14 years.
14 years in the industry.
Yeah, then we started after those years, we started our builds like based on Amoma. So we call this house Amoma Mactan.
Yeah. What do you mean by Amoma?
Amoma means care.
Care.
It's a Cebuano word.
Amoma means care.
Yeah, it means this is a resort home.
Oh, yeah.
Our intention is the owners will no longer have to go to the resort because their home is a resort already.
Exactly.
The slogan of Amoma is your home is your holiday.
Wow, that's good. So again, your home is your holiday.
Yeah,
That's the slogan of Amoma. So now we are on the very interesting question, which is how much is the cost of this house, sir? And why is it that you come up with that price?
The house is currently selling at 50 million net.
50 million net.
Yes.
For us, how many square meters?
The land area is 462.
Oh, 462.
The
And the
floor
floor
area is 400 square meters.
including the balcony.
Yes, that
Yeah.
includes the balcony and also the pool area.
Alright, so it's 400 square meters for the total floor area.
Yes, there are a lot of comparables to the price. If you may ask, is that worth it?
Yeah, so is it worth it? The price
Let's
worth
start
it
with the
for 50
comparable.
million?
First, the comparables within the vicinity of this subdivision. You can actually see properties here ranging more than 100 million. There are condominiums here from along the seaside. By the way, this property is also near the beach. Along this coast, there are properties here ranging 120 million for a 100 square meter land.
Exactly.
Yes, and then there are also houses within this subdivision pricing at 30 to 35 million. Now, what makes Amoma different aside from the size of its house is first, it relies on the green building principles.
So what do you mean by green principle?
Yes, first, it uses renewable energy.
Alright.
We have solar panels here to help power the house. This is a green tide solar panel system. So together with the utilities, which is the MECO, the solar panels generates electricity to help reduce the cost.
Okay.
So that's solar panel. Next is the rainwater recycling system. So we collect rainwater and we use it back for the ground floor toilets.
And also for the watering of plants.
It reduces your water cost as well. Next is we have a lot of windows here. You can see a lot of glass here. That is passive lighting. You don't need to turn on the lights every time because the natural lighting is enough light up the spaces inside the house. All lighting, there are more than 100 lights here. All are LEDs, so that requires less energy to power these lighting fixtures. Next, all air conditioning of this house are all inverter types, and including our refrigerator. Here is also an inverter.
That's an inverter.
Yes.
Some refrigerator.
Yeah, those are the green features of this house. So aside from being a green building, this house is also a smart house.
When we say smart house, what do you mean by that, sir?
We have smart devices, meaning we have equipments here that can communicate with each other for the home security automation. So here we have our smart locks, we have our smart sensors, we have our smart hubs, smart alarms, smart CCTVs. So all of these devices communicate with each other so that they can your home is more secure.
Okay.
You can open the door of your house through your phone.
Okay. Even if you're abroad,
Yes, even if you are outside, as long as the house is connected to the internet, wherever you are, you can control the devices here inside the house. So yeah, that makes it smart. This is powered by LifeSmart. It's a very well-known brand for AI or Internet of Things. And then another part of the smart technologies here is our pool.
Yeah. So, ang the advantage of that pool.
Yeah.
Can you explain that again, sir?
The name of the pool is what we call a courtyard bayou pool.
Courtyard bayou pool.
Yes, it's a courtyard because it's located part of the house.
Okay.
So it's partly indoor and partly outdoor.
Okay.
So I think I'm not sure if you have seen a lot of houses like that, no?
Yeah,
like
but this is unique, right?
It's maybe the first time for most,
yeah.
No? Because this pool can be accessed from the foyer, from the living area, from the dining area, and also to the pool there.
Yeah.
Partly indoor, partly outdoor. So that means even if you don't want to really have a tan, so you can also use that.
Okay.
So it's called, that's why it's called courtyard. It's located at the courtyard.
Alright. What about the bayou?
Bayou. And the bayou side, it uses a bionizer technology.
Okay, so
So this technology is imported from Australia. There is an equipment in the pool system that reads the pH level of the pool.
Okay.
So that makes the pool smart because it reads the acidity.
And if it's dirty or not. That's what Amuma different from other houses here. Yeah, nearby houses for sale. I invite them, or for those interested buyers who want to view this house. So
In Hexacon, it's our goal to bring Cebu to the world. It's always our pride to build this house. This is our flagship project. This is our very first. And despite being a construction firm for the past 14 years, it's a collaboration of all the efforts and experiences that we had. Finally, this is a house that we think that Cebu deserves. Cebu has always been offered with what we call the Hiswa, the common houses, the mediocre type of houses. Now, we believe Cebu is world class. That's what you can see here. So, the showcase of Cebu talent. This is what you can see for Cebu. The furnitures here are made of Cebuanos. These are export grade furnitures. And yes, from Morelio Furniture. Yeah, if you are interested to feel what is Cebu like, so this is our embodiment of Cebu. And what Cebu is, if it's a house.
oh wow, that's very well explained. The CEO of this Hexacon developer. So thank you so much, sir, for your time, and thank you for the ambush, because we did not plan to do this.
It's an opportunity for us to explain.
Thank you so much, sir, and I hope that you enjoy watching. And if you have any questions, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel.